Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. Singular nouns and plural nouns. Car, cars. Book, books. Flower, flowers. Car, book, and flower are examples of singular nouns. Singular nouns are nouns that tell about one person, place, animal, or thing. Remember, singular means only one. Let's have more examples. Dress, box, watch, brush. Cars, books, and flowers are examples of plural nouns. Plural nouns are nouns that tell about several persons, places, animals, or things. Remember, plural means two or more. How do we make plural nouns? For most plural nouns, we add s at the end of the word. Example, cat becomes cats, cats. Pencil becomes pencils, pencils. Tree becomes trees, trees. Do we always add s to make plural nouns? For nouns ending in double s like dress, x like box, ch like watch, sh like brush, we add es to their singular forms. Example, dress becomes dresses, dresses. Box becomes boxes, boxes. Watch becomes watches, watches. Brush becomes brushes, brushes. We also add es to some nouns ending in letter O. Remember, some nouns only. The word tomato becomes tomatoes. Mango becomes mangoes, mangoes. It's quiz time! Choose between s or es to make the plural form of the following nouns. You can do it! Bird. Do we add s or ES? That's right. S. Birds. Fox. Do we add S or ES? That's correct. ES. Foxes. Bench. Do we add S or ES? That's right. ES. Benches. Potato. Do we add S or ES? That's right. ES. Potatoes. Crayon. Do we add S or ES? That's right. S. Crayons. Good job! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!